Okay, Pro Open Class Final. So nagyapon ta diri sa Pantokan, Davao de Oro, Port Mayor Jong Sinisa Invitational Motocross Competition. So managan dia Stanley Nonyesa, Doydoy Bandigan, Elcid Maningo, Terence Napat, Ray Baitit, Jibin Lagrada, Kimboy, Dodong Bandigan, JC Pineda, Amboy Aparcon, and Jubin Lagrada. Oh, naulahe si Baby Lion. All shot by Alaka nahulog si Kimboy. Okay, nahulog si Kimboy. Overshot Kimboy Pineda. Tuwara nakauna. It's wow, grabe. Woo! Tuwara was-wasan ito na Max, the Warrior. Ray Baitik, Maningo, Stanley. Grabe. Oop. Wow, grabe. Terence Napat versus Ray Baitit. Ala, Maningo on third. Agay, nakuha si Terence Napat ni Ray Baitit. Grabe kadikit nga laban. La, wow. Grabe Ray nagmangtas. Wala, nagmangta si Ray og tama, nagmangta si Ray. Oops. Inside silang tulo. Wow. Oops. Wala. Wow. Grabe. Stanley lang yung Sanford. Wala. Meron dalhin. Ray Baitit. Ayun, no? Terence Napat on second, CG Maningo on third. Grabe kanindot nga laban. Allah, the Warrior versus the Baby Lion. Oops. Inside. Tuwara. Op. Inside silang tulo. Allah. Wow. Agay. Allah, agay. Ay, tumba si Terence. Terence dapat. Baget. Oops. Oh, JC Pineda. Oh. Yan. Ray Baitit now on the lead, and the second it's Baby Lion, CG Maningo. Wow. Grabe, kanindot nga laban. Oops. Wow. Ray Baitit on the lead. Baby Lion on second. Ayun, no? Wow. Wow, dikit ang laban. Gilingi pa. Nilingon pa ni Ray Baitit si CG Maningo. Araw, dikit ang laban. Grabe. Woo! Nagkadikit na si Allah, Baby Lion versus Ray Baitit. Oops. Inside, outside. Suara. Wow. Dikit ang laban. Wow. Oops. Allah. Wow, grabe. Baby Lion na nakauna. Baby Lion na ang dalit. Ray Baitit on second. Ayun, no? Oh. Stanley Nunez out third. Ito. Private 8 versus Baby Lion. Pero inside. Wow. Outside. Stanley Nunez on third. Game Boy versus Game Boy. Dodong Bandigan. Joven Lagrada, Terence Dapat, Game Boy Pineda. Amboy Aparcon, Jesse Pineda. Wow. Baby Lion on the lead. Battle of 12 laps. Ayun, no? 12 laps. Wow. Try by it on second. Stanley Nunez on third, Joy Bandigan on fourth, Dodong Bandigan on fifth. Ayan, Terence Dapat, mahabol. Wow. Ayun, no? Estel on the lead, Baby Lion. Ayun, no? Unti-unti nang lumalayo si Baby Lion kay Ray Whited. Baby Lion on the lead, Ray Whited on second. Ayan, mahabol na Terence Dapat. Wow. Stanley Nunez. Oops. Terence Dapat down fourth. Dikit na tama. Paul Pineda. So, still on the lead, Baby Lion. Ray Whited on second. Stanley Nunez on third. Terence Dapat on fourth. Wow. Game Boy, Dodong and Doy. Lagrada Brothers. Breakaway, Baby Lion. Breakaway, Baby Lion. Malayo pa tayo. 12 laps tayo. 12 laps. Breakaway na Baby Lion. Breakaway. White flag is up. The white flag is up. Last lap. Gigi Maningo. Ray Whited. Last lap. Yan, Baby Lion. Arrive by 8 on second. Wow, grabe. Perez na apat on third. Stanley Nunez on fourth. Champion CG Maningo. And Pro Open category here in Pantocan, Davao de Oro. Second Rai Terence on third. Checkered flag. Checkered flag.